Okay, are y'all ready for the outfit reveal? Honestly, I'm over here at the fucking public library parking lot looking like a fucking whore. So, y'all better fucking hit that fucking like and subscribe button, bitch. Hey guys, I don't know how to start this video. I have some sad news. I don't think I shared this last time, but a couple months ago, my cats got out of my house because they got out through the window, and my cat Butters was missing for 17 days until we finally caught her. And Dante came back home like the same day, like at night. But I was at work on Friday, and I came back home, and there was a huge fucking hole in the screen of my window. And both of my cats got out again, but of course I caught Dante like the same day. I got off work like at 11 p.m. and I caught him literally like at midnight. And then I still haven't seen Butters. Today's Sunday, so it's already been like 2 days. But yeah, I haven't seen her anywhere, but she does have her collar on, so hopefully I'll be able to find her soon. But yeah, I'm pretty bummed out. I'm kind of sad. Not kind of sad, I'm really fucking sad. I want her to come back. Cause that's my fucking child. Like, I was literally like fucking having a breakdown when I came home cause I already felt like shit, and then I come home and my cats are gone. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully Butters comes back and I find her. Ugh, I didn't want to cry. Look at Dante being cute. He was playing with the little toy I got him, but he's knocked out now. He always sleeps there. It's so funny. But anyways, the point of the video is, okay, so I'm going on a trip in a couple weeks, so hopefully Butters is back by then before I leave. But yeah, I'm going on a trip and I'm gonna make myself an outfit. Well, I'm gonna attempt to, because I don't know, it might come out bad. It looks easy to do, but it might be harder. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna make myself an outfit. I got this like nylon spandex fabric at Joann's. I went to Santee Alley with my cousin and my sister, who are going on the trip with me, and we were looking for like cute outfits, like dresses and like bathing suits and shit like that. But like TikTok fucking gentrified Santee Alley, because like all the fucking outfits were like $40, $50, and we're like, what the fuck? Like, that shit used to be like $10, and now it's like expensive, like if you're shopping at a mall. I took pictures of what I thought was cute, and yeah, we're gonna try to make one of the outfits today. My cousins were all like, make me one, make me one. I'm like, I don't think I'm that good at sewing, but we'll see. Posted on my story and I was like, what color should I get? Hot pink or lime green? Like the photo. And everyone told me all late, they were like, get green, get green. I got fucking pink. So if this comes out cute, I'm gonna go back to Joann's and I'm gonna get the green one, because that one was really cool. I couldn't choose. I was like, which one? And I was like, pink is my color. But then everyone was saying, green would look so good on you. And I'm like, bitch. But yeah, we're gonna try to do this. I got 1 yard of fabric. Hopefully that's enough. I think that would be enough. I have this skirt that's kind of like the same material, so I think I'm gonna like trace this skirt. Okay, low-key, I fucked up already. I'm dumb. Okay, so that's the bottom piece, this is the front piece. I traced it from the top, and then I took off like, I don't know, 2 inches off the bottom, but I'm dumb. I should have took off 2 inches off the top and left the bottom, because now it's like mismatched, but it's okay, it's gonna work. Oh fuck, wait, I didn't even, that? Oh, I'm so annoyed. Okay. Okay, I'm glad I caught that before I sewed it. You're supposed to face the two outside pieces. Face both outside pieces inside. I fucked up. This is the outside piece on the outside. So I have to flip it. Y'all get what I'm saying? Okay, I fixed it now. It's taking me way longer than I thought it was, but I feel like if I make a second one, it'll be way quicker because now I know what mistakes not to make. But it's looking pretty cute right now. I'm just hemming like all the sides and stuff. Let me show you. I still have to hem the bottom. That's the only thing left I have to do. But can you see? This is the front, and then this is the back. She's looking real cute or whatever. Like, my stitches are not the best. Like, they're not straight, but you know, who's gonna be looking at me that close, alright? Yeah, I just need to hit the bottom, and then the skirt is almost done. We still have to make the chonis for it, and then the top. Hopefully the top is not that hard. I don't think it is, but yeah, we'll get there when we get there. She's a seamstress or whatever. I'm gonna try to finish this project today. I was gone for a couple hours because I want to go eat with my mom and my little siblings and stuff, but right now it's exactly 6 p.m. so hopefully I could get this done before like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It shouldn't take me that long, hopefully, because that's like 3 hours. Hopefully once we finish like making these chonis, the top will be super easy. I hope. Fingers crossed. Okay, this is how the skirt looks, just flat. I have this Playboy thong that some girl gave me like 4 years ago or something that I still have because I'm a fucking hoarder and I can't get rid of stuff. But that's a topic for another day. I'm basically just gonna trace this with our pink fabric and then make the little straps and shit. Okay, the top is now like 7 inches. 7 inches, and then the bottom is 4.5. 4.5 inches at the bottom, 7 inches at the top. Alright, here's my little strippy strip, and we're just going to sew straight down. And then we are going to cut it in half so we have a strip for each side. Okay, it's about to be 8 o'clock. I already finished the skirt. Did I show y'all the skirt? I don't remember if I did. I just ended up tying the straps. They were like a little long, and honestly I'm fed up, so I was like, whatever, I'll just tie them and it'll look like a bikini or whatever, and it'll look cute anyways. Now I'm working on the top. I literally just cut out a 10-inch wide rectangle. Okay, I hemmed all of it and I made the little channels. I just need to make the strap now, but it is 34.5 inches wide and 10 inches that way. So now we just have to make the string and then we're done, hopefully. Please. It's 8:21, so we have like more than half an hour to finish this before 9 o'clock at night. No! It's really 8:50. I finished the top, but it's too big on me. Oh my god, wait. My yitties are about to fall out. Okay, I managed to finish by 9 o'clock. I took off 6 inches off the shirt, and it fits me like perfectly now. And then we're gonna do the reveal. Dun dun dun. Hopefully it looks good or I'm gonna cry. Okay, are y'all ready for the outfit reveal? Honestly, I'm over here at the fucking public library parking lot looking like a fucking whore. So y'all better fucking hit that fucking like and subscribe button, bitch. I I thought I was recording myself, but I wasn't recording myself. Ah, okay. That's fucking annoying. This is the outfit. Oh, it's super windy. Oh my god, yeah, it's super windy. Paired it with my pink Vans. Everything pink. Let me know what you guys think. If it's cute, if it's ugly, whatever. I like it. I think it's cute. Y'all probably gonna see me wearing this on my trip in a couple weeks. This is what I made it for. I literally saved 30 bucks making this myself, so I suggest learning how to sew. But a sewing machine is an investment, but if you do learn, it's worth it. Oh my god, there's a car coming! Ew! Up in the party like my name was that bitch. All these haters mad because I'm so established. Wait, let's see it without the hat. Sorry, my hair's a little greasy, but this is a look. Let me know if I should make the lime green one. Honestly, I'm built like fucking SpongeBob SquarePants, but you know, it's fine. We gotta do with what we got. But yeah, I'm gonna go before the police come for me or something. So yeah, like, subscribe, da 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 da. Okay, bye. Not me making TikToks. So cars keep passing by.